Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is one badass 1968 Camaro. This thing has got a lot of hidden secrets, and I'm going to show all of them to you. As you can see, it's got an RS front end on it, beautiful chrome, chin spoiler, beautiful black paint, beautiful cowl hood. All those body lines are lining up. I tell you what, the body man on this car did a beautiful job. And the paint guy, man, look at the reflections in that black paint. Beautiful. The wheels are killer. They knocked it out of the park. And yeah, I see Corvette right there. It's got Corvette brakes up front, Corvette spindles. Man, she's sweet. And look at this interior. That is 2010 Camaro interior in this thing. And yeah, that interior is hooked up to something special too. It's got an LS3 up front with an Edelbrock Supercharger. It's hooked up to a 6-speed automatic. This thing is a rocket ship, guys. That's right, supercharged LS3. Absolutely beautiful. Check out this interior. She is gorgeous. Everything in this interior that needs to work, works. It is beautiful. Even the door locks, look at this. It's got keyless entry, isn't that sweet? Redline tires looking good. Chrome on the back bumper, tail lights. Now what's so cool about this car is they didn't take it too far. When you get back and just take a glance at it, just looks like a 68 Camaro with some cool wheels on it. Super cool car. Get in the trunk here and take a look. Plenty of room in the trunk there for a couple lawn chairs and your golf clubs. Beautiful work here. I'll tell you, the attention to detail on a car is second to none. Beautiful workmanship. Wait till you see it up on the lift. Absolutely gorgeous. Look down the side of it. Not a flaw in it anywhere. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. We buy every one of our cars, so you can bet we spend the time to check them out before we bring them here to our shop. Then when they get here to the shop, we put them up in the air so we can check them all out, so we can answer every one of your questions when you call Tom at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you anything about this car you need to know. Now, if you want some close-up pictures of a specific area of the car, just call Tom, let him know what you need. He'll get them right out to you. Now, I've got about 35 years in the business, and I'm going to put all 35 of those years of experience to work for you, helping you pick out your dream car. Here we go for a ride in our 1968 Camaro with our LS3 and our Supercharger. Man, you want to talk about cool? This baby is cool. What an awesome machine. See the speedo's working, the tach's working. Just absolutely gorgeous here, guys. We got the stereo here. We got all the gauges. I mean, what's so cool is everything fits in here and looks like it belongs. Very, very good job putting this together, guys. Tell you what, I feel like I'm driving a brand new Camaro when I'm sitting inside, and then when you're standing outside, it looks perfect 1968 Camaro on the outside. And of course, when you step on the accelerator, you feel that LS3 supercharged power. The car is amazing. And you know what? We can deliver it anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain the whole process to you, how easy it is. And if you need help with financing, no problem with financing either. Tom will explain that process to you also. Real easy. We got about 3 bankers we work with on a daily basis. They will take care of everything over the phone. It only takes about 15 minutes on the phone with the banker, and they'll take care of everything. You see how easy this thing busts a UE? You see how easy this thing busts the tires loose? Man, this thing is sweet. And that was about 1/4 of an inch on the throttle. It is a rocket ship. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we buy all of our inventory, so we own this car. So you can bet we are proud to own it, so we spent the time and checked it out. And we're gonna do something here in a minute that nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put it up on the lift so that we can check out the bottom, and we're gonna show you the bottom also. Then we're gonna show you under the hood. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Camaro investment. And I tell you what, take this to any Camaro show, you are gonna draw a crowd, guaranteed. I mean, you take it to any car show, you're gonna draw a crowd. I mean, what an amazing machine. Now our shop is very close to the airport, so if you need to fly in and check out this baby in person, no problem whatsoever. We'll even come down to the airport and pick you up. And if you want to drive out on a Saturday, we're open on Saturdays till 3 o'clock. Just call Tom, let him know you're coming. We do have over 200 cars in stock and about 80,000 square feet of indoor storage. So we may have to move a few cars around to get your favorite one out. So just call Tom, let him know you're coming. Just super cool here, guys. We're coming up on our shop right now. Here's our shop at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. The exhaust on it too is just amazing. And of course, whenever you want to bust the tires loose, no problem whatsoever. We're gonna get it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this amazing 68 Camaro now, and man, it is beautiful. It's got a Detroit Speed custom gas tank under it, and it's got the Detroit Speed mini tub set up underneath the back end of it too. Beautiful, beautiful setup here. It's got a bunch of rubber on the ground. We'll talk about the rubber here in a minute. 373 gear in here, and of course it is posi. It is a Ford 9-inch in here. The exhaust system's been all jet coated. It's looking sweet. We've got good looking Flowmaster mufflers here. Look at the paint work on the frame, the floorboards, everything looking beautiful under here. Everything's tucked up in here, ran nice and tight and neat. Look at all these little P-clips. Everything just neat as a pin under here, just beautiful. And then all super nice aftermarket front suspension parts here, looking great. We got the 6L90 transmission up here, guys. That's a 6-speed automatic. They put in the Cadillacs and the badass Camaros. Oh, wait a minute. This is one of the badass Camaros, man. Of course, this is all Corvette front suspension up here. You can read all about it in our ad, man. We've got all the literature about this suspension up here. It is amazing. The whole front clip is all customized, guys. It's got the brakes, it's got the coilovers, it is all set up. Of course, rack and pinions, what's making you steer. It is power. You see, it's got AC. That's the power plant sitting up front here, the LS3, and of course, we'll talk about that supercharger sitting on top here in a minute. But just look at how neat and just everything about the car, just, I mean, it's an engineering marvel here, guys. Just beautiful. And then these wheels, look at those wheels. Are those cool or what, man? What a slick setup we got here. The wheels are absolutely beautiful. The red lines are gorgeous, and those are aluminum, guys. Man, they're gorgeous. I gotta get the size back here on the back here. I'm gonna steal my light here from my cameraman. Try not to shine it in your eyes here. These are 225/45 18s, and let's see if I can find the brand. These are Nittos. These are 555s. We'll work our way towards the back here. You can see, look at those rockers. Look at the shine on those rockers, man. It looks like a mirror down here. You can't tell where the rockers, the floorboards, the frame ties, or the floorboards, or the exhaust system. I mean, it's all shiny under here. Let's see, I'll grab the size on these tires here first. Again, 285/40 18s back here. And I'm gonna check the brand on these here. It looks like it's in gear here. Let me look over here. Yeah, these are 555s on the back also. And again, look at those. Aren't those amazing? And look at the paintwork there. I mean, look at that. You can see that Mustang in the background just like it's a mirror. Man, that's some amazing paintwork. Well, we're gonna lower it down, see what's making all the power. All right, here's where the magic's happening right here. LS3 Power, and you know what that pulley is right there? That's the pulley to the supercharger, guys. And yep, it's a water-cooled intercooler. Now what's really cool is they put the tank for the intercooler back here and hid it. So it doesn't even look like it has one, which is very, very cool. And they've hid the computer back in here, and look at all these reflections back in here. You can't even tell there's a panel there. And look what they did with all the heater lines and AC lines. They've plugged them in right here and gone back in here, and they run back that way. You can't even see them. What a beautiful job. The headers swoop back out there. Beautiful work there also. Just everything about this is nice and neat, tucked away. Look at the way the cold air is done. Whoop, right there. And the way they painted that pipe black, it just blends in with everything. Then it's got the electric assist power brakes, which is very cool. That's mounted down there in the underneath your feet there by your driver's feet, so you don't see that either. Just everything about it is nice and neat. You can get down in here and work on the motor. I tell you what, take this car anywhere. You're gonna win design awards, you're gonna win the race, you're gonna win the best paint, the best design. You're gonna win everything with this car, guys. Call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.